What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? All right, y'all, so today I wanted to give you guys a eyeliner tutorial. I actually got that requested. Let me shout out the channel that requested it. Actually, I've got that requested multiple times in my channel, but the most recent request, when I was writing down what I'm doing for the month, this was requested by Valone or Valon. She said, you did that cat eye so effortlessly, you should drop a tutorial. And I was like, girl, I got you. So yeah, I just wanted to do a very quick eyeliner tutorial. I want you guys to know that I am by any means not a pro, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes my eyeliners come out flawless, sometimes they come out horrible, sometimes they look like twins, sometimes they look like sisters, sometimes they look like cousins, sometimes they don't look like they're in the same family, child. So that is very normal. Eyeliner, I think eyeliner is one of those like things about makeup. It's a small part of like makeup, but it's so hard for some reason. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I do it. What's my easiest technique? I did both eyes, obviously. I go about it different ways. I want to show you the easiest way to do it and then my most comfortable way of doing it. I know you guys, I have some big lashes on. These lashes are actually my lashes. If you want to shop lashes like this is called a $1 Billion Baby. These are my Team Stacy Cosmetic lashes. They are very inexpensive, very affordable, because I know my lashes are kind of like disguising the cat eye a little bit. You know, I don't know why I chose these big ass lashes. I just love looking extra sometimes. But yes, guys, so let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial on how to achieve a cat eye effortlessly, the easiest way, the non-messiest way. So yeah, everything that I'm talking about, I'm gonna stay a little bit more in depth into the tutorial. So I hope you guys are excited to see how I achieve this effortless cat eye. I love you guys so much, and let's get into this video. Alrighty guys, so this is the product that we're going to be using today. Everything I'm using will be linked down in the description box. So I do advise you guys using something like this, where it's kind of like a pen, because it is easier if you are a beginner. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the natural shape of my eye. Now this is the easiest part in my opinion, and I think it is going to be for you as well. You just want to make a line following the natural shape of your eye. The hard part and what you really came for is the winged out part of this eyeliner, which you will get it after you watch this video. You want to follow the natural shape of your eye. As you see, I'm using the corner of my eye and the edge of my eyebrow as a guideline. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a small short line, and then I'm going to elongate the line to my likings. And you can play this back as many times if it's going to help you. What I want to show you here, when I play back this clip and slow it down, I want to show you guys that when you guys are now, once you have that line and you are now connecting it to the previous line that you did on the, you know, the lid space. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But when you guys are connecting that line, you don't want to start at the tip of the beginning of the length of your liner. And I hope I make sense, but you don't want to start at the tip. As you guys see, I started a little bit lower, and that's because this line is supposed to taper. You are making a triangle, and a triangle has a point, and then it goes angled into the other areas of the triangle. And that is what we are trying to achieve here. We are achieving a slanted triangle. Don't think too much about it. This is not the hardest part. So what I'm showing you guys here is when you use the point of the liner, it is going to make a thinner line, but when you use the kind of side of it, it makes the line thicker. You can use this to assist you in any way. Usually when I'm making that line from the corner of my eye, and you know, I'm doing the winged out part, I like to use the point because I need this line to be precise, and I need this line to be very thin and neat. But when I'm now connecting that line to the rest of my eye, that's when I usually go towards the side of that pencil or the side of that liner, because it tapers for me. It does a taper effect. After you get that down packed, now you just want to fill in any blank spaces. So now in this clip, I'm showing you guys the easiest way that I do that. You know, the first way was for beginners, and what I'm showing you here is my technique. And again, I'm just showing you the difference between using the point of the liner and the side of the liner. And practice does make progress. Anytime you make mistakes with your makeup, you have things like concealers to erase it and fix it. So what I'm doing here is I'm just sharpening my line with the concealer. Alrighty guys, that is the end of the video, and I hope you guys, you know, you feel a little bit more confident in achieving your cat eye. I do want you guys to understand that any part of makeup, if you're new, if you are just not so good at that part, everything takes practice. Practice makes progress. So, you know, the first time you do a cat eye, it's not gonna come out that easy, but the more and more you do it, the better. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I am trying to reach a new level of subscribers. We're trying to level up for this year. If you like these type of videos, I am gonna go ahead and create a playlist so you can, you know, just see more of my makeup tutorials, because I do other things on my channel as well. You can turn my post notifications so you don't miss an upload. Also, my social medias will be linked down below, so you can follow me on social media so you can up your dose of Team Stacy if you are already subscribed. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscription button, go ahead and ring that bell, go ahead and like this video. And if you really feeling me, if you really want to show me, you know, you like the video or you love your girl, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. That's pretty much the end of this video. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.